Hi, today I want to show you how Bounce Trader works. It's a chart trader for NinjaTrader 8. And today I want to show you how these buttons work. And I may not necessarily tell you exactly the strategy that I trade. That's probably for another video, but this is just to demonstrate how these buttons work and what they do. So my setup is on my left side. It's a ninza renko charts. Their configurations are 10 and 5, which is brick size 10, threshold 5, and on the right side it's the same thing, only it's in double the amount. So this one is a 20 and 10, and on this chart my gold line is my 34 EMA, and these blue line and red line, they're indicators of where the bar will close. It is useful because you want to be able to see where the bar will close in relation to your EMA. So briefly, my strategy is to trade bounce from 34 EMA, like you see it here. It's almost hit that EMA and it bounced, and my stop loss is predetermined in ATM strategy, which is basically would be a couple ticks below the signal bar, and take profit is just 2 bars. So it's similar to the Apex system strategy, only we use EMAs for our entry signals. All these indicators there are free. There's nothing special about them, but it's for that we can speak about that later. But for now, let's just see what we can find. This is last 30 minutes of a trading session, so hopefully we can find some setups. So let's start with market orders. Let's say I'm betting that this will continue to go up, so let's say I'm thinking it's gonna bounce and go sell. Let's see what happens. Okay, it didn't, so it invalidated my order. Okay, so let's see if I'm gonna think it's gonna close bearish. Okay, well, it invalidated again, so let's think it again. See, it triggered the order and it places as two bars for our take profit, and it reached our take profit. Now I'm thinking that it will reverse and go up. If it reverses and goes up, okay, it invalidated it again. So anyways, I showed you how sell close and buy close the same way, only in reverse. Now for sell below, let's say that we think it's going to continue to go down and break new lows. Okay, so it didn't. Let's say we are thinking it's going to continue to go up. Okay, well, it didn't. Let's just say it's going to go down. Our current bar is bearish. Okay, so it didn't work. now let's say that we're expecting the price to go up, so we hit buy above. Okay, it hit. Okay, cool. So it worked out just as it's supposed to be. Now, and let's say that we are thinking that I want to demonstrate how trail buy or trail sell works. So for that, like, would be good here if we would hit entered trail buy while it's here, it would wait until this bar and it would open here. So it trails all the way until reversal bar appears. So let's say like this is a choppy area, it would not be a good example, but let's say right now it's going up and we're saying on the next bearish bar open sell order. We don't know how far it's gonna go up, but we're just saying that on the next reversal bar open sell. So that's what it did. It's probably gonna bounce off. Okay, well this was just for demonstration purposes, but let's just try to see that again. So bars are forming bullish and we're waiting for a next bearish signal. Now this trail buy and trail sell, they're very useful when you're trading harmonic patterns or second entries. Where you know the areas where the prices are tend to reverse. So that's really helpful for that, but in this case we're just demonstrating how the trail sell works. Okay, see, so it triggered the order and it triggered the take profit. Now what about maybe we're thinking that it's going to bounce from this EMA. So let's say, okay, it filled the order. Okay, so let's see, the price reached the EMA, and that's where we made our decision. We thought we are expecting a bounce, so we said if it's going to reach this level where the bar closes bullish, we're opening a buy order. So the limit orders work the same way as market orders, except that they guarantee you the price fill at certain levels within this offset. So with market orders you may experience some slippage, and if the market is not too volatile, I usually prefer to trade with market orders. That way I don't miss any fills. Now let me show you how OCO works. So OCO close, this button and this button, they technically work the same way. You can click any one of them, they will work the same way. These are grayed out because they wouldn't make sense. And basically with OCO close, we're telling no matter how, actually we're saying that however bar closes, open an order in a direction where how the bar closes. So if the bar closes bullish, you open a buy order. If the bar closes bearish, you open a sell order. So let's see, like in this area we are let's find the bar. So let's say this bar, you know, if it's, see, it closed bullish. It probably wasn't a good example because it was all the way to the resistance, but anyways, it's we said the bar closed bullish, so it opened a bullish, or it opened a buy order. It's probably gonna take me out, which is okay. So let's say here, this is an inflection point. You have a EMA. It's either bounce or reverses, right? So, okay, it's currently bounces. It may reverse. Okay, so see, it's so that's how OCO works, which can be very useful. And there is a lot to this trading strategy, but this is just in a basic form how it usually works. And I usually prefer to trade on Ninja Renko 2010 with a 40-20 chart next to it. And there is lots of entry signals. You may have up to 20 signals just in the first hour of trading, so that's you have a lot to choose from. And yeah, there's a lot of signals, and I hope you are able to see that with this chart trader you are able to well, first of all, you are much quicker in your fills. Okay, before the chart trader I used to enter manually, but NQ is so volatile, it's easy to miss ticks. So with chart trader you are much more faster, and you also reduce overthinking process while you're trading, because you're not thinking here, while the price is here because it's away from EMA. You only wait until price reaches your EMA. That's where you make your decision. Look, we could have entered here on a bounce, would have entered here, could have entered here on a bounce, would have entered here on a bounce, and there was two bars profit. There was enough profit for us to take trades in. If this is too fast, you can just enter here and configure the ATM strategy for this chart. So if you see a setup here, you just enter it here. If you see setup here, you just enter it here. So, and yeah, this is it. I'll have more features to the chart trader, but that's for later. And so hopefully that was beneficial to you. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.